Welcome to Whirligig Workshop, where work is done just for fun. This series of videos will cover the journey taken to create a whirligig, showing 4 figurines working in a shed. Each one is different in design and drive mechanisms. I will not be showing how to use any equipment, as there are people who can do that better than me. I hope you enjoy the journey as much as I did. This is the second video in the series and deals with the construction of the 4 figurines. I selected the figurines that would fit the design requirements. Each figure has a detailed design that is used to cut out the parts. The designs came from books and from reverse engineering from pictures. I marked and cut out all the parts at once to save wastage of each material. This is our man sawing a log. As before I said, it's all made out of 90mm pine, 12mm pine, 6mm ply and a bit of dowel for a log. Arms and the legs to the body. Now both arms and both legs have to be able to swivel so that the body can move and the hands can move. Previously I would have put little bushes in here, cut from brass tubing and then inserted there. The axle itself is a bit of brass rod that has had a thread put on both ends and fed through and the arms connected. Recently I've been trying another method. What that entails is using pop rivets. These are just ordinary pop rivets. The diameter of these stalks have to be roughly 1/8 of an inch so that we can put a thread on them. We just knock the rivet out with a hammer. We need to grind off the little lips here so that the wood goes straight back on. Alright, so let's do that. Right. We've got our little thread, probably a bit hard to see. Thread. And this distance is how far you want to go through the body and the arms. Next thing is you drill, make sure these holes here are big enough for these to push into. As you can see, they're a bit long. What we do is we just cut off the ends. Once we've done all that, we've got 2 of these and one of these. All you do is you take this, push it in there, and as you can see, it wobbles quite nicely. And take a washer, put it through the hole, Another washer. And we just get a nut. Alright. There we have it. So what we do is we'll repeat the process. Yep. So we then have our arms and legs together. Here we go. We'll do the same for the arms. What are we having? The other part of the saw is this. This is the saw. This is just made out of 6mm ply with 2 on the end to make it up to 18. So it's the same as this. There we got him, got a hole. And we just thread him through. We just thread it through, those ends will be cut off and they're glued to the arms. That way he goes like that. His sawing horse, just 2 X's. Like that. And a little log for that's him finished, ready to go. What we do then is we'll take that and got our little saw, which we don't want to swivel. Now we just got a couple of holes in here. We'll cut them off and paint them over. So here goes, here you go. These are just the two crosses that we made. There, got a bit of wood to glue it together and a log on top. These guys now sit like that. Put him over there. This one is the same. We've got his tongs fitted onto his arm. And we've got his anvil. This is the scroll saw. Same deal with his arms. This is where you decide whether he's left-handed or right-handed. Yeah. This is his bench with a couple of bits of wood on here. That looks like he's sawing. And they go like that. Last but not least is a hammering person. Again, same deal. Here we don't want it to bend, so again we've got a couple of pins in here which we will glue on and cut off and paint. Yeah. This is his bench. Yeah. All ready for him to stand like that. And that is our figurines complete. We'll now put them on the board and see what we get. The next video in the journey is about the floor and the base. If you have any comments on how I can improve my presentation, please post them in the comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.